Hello, my name is Alex. I'm from Broward A&C Medical Supply here in Deerfield Beach, Florida. I'd like to go over with you today on how to sign up for a medical gas account online once you establish services with our company by calling or emailing orders@medicalgassupplier.com and filling out the paperwork necessary. You would then be provided with an account number. With this information, you can come here and establish register your account or activate your account online. So I wanted to go ahead and do that now by showing you how to do that. So first off, you have a couple of places you can go to. My account, you can click on this one up here or the My Account area. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one up top, and you'll come to this area where you'll have two options. You're going to want to, if you're just wanting to do deliveries and set up your delivery account, then you would go here where the truck is. And if you were purchasing parts on our shopping cart, you could sign up for an account there. Your very little information, and you can view your order history online. So if you're ordering like parts or supplies for your dental office or equipment, and come to this side. But for now, we'll come here to the MedGas deliveries. And once you click on that, we get to the dashboard. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and actually sign out because I was already signed in earlier. And I want to show you, if you were to just come here for the first time, how to activate your account. So basically, you'll once you click on that My Gas Deliveries area under My Account, you will come to this screen here. And you're going to click on this Activate Account button here. And you would have your account number handy. It's a 6-digit number with 2 zeros preceding the 4-digit number of your account. And it's usually found at the top of your invoice once you receive a gas delivery. So you can do that, in the beginning, or you could do it later, anytime you want, or you could just call our office and we can help you with that as well. So let's go ahead and click on Activate Account. This is where you would enter in your account number. Your zip code is going to be your billing zip code. So whatever zip code you provided in your billing information on your application, that's the zip code that you'll enter here. You're going to put in your email address for billing, and then you would come up with your own username and password, and you would enter that here and then repeat your password and enter the CAPTCHA security information and click Activate Your Account. So once that's done, you'll receive an email, and you can go ahead and back out of this and actually sign in. And you'll see here my test account information is already loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the CAPTCHA. And we're going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, now you're at what's called our dashboard. The name of your account, of course, would be here at the top. This is our test account. You could also click to it by getting here, but it automatically opens up into the dashboard. And it shows you several areas of interest, basically your invoice history, account balance, and then your delivery section. You can actually schedule deliveries, which is nice. And there's, you could change just a little bit of information here. Under billing on the dashboard, you can change your email, your contact names. If you had a different phone number, you could change that. And you can also go paperless if you decide you want to be environmentally friendly. It's a nice touch. And also, it tells you if your preference is whether to have your statements emailed. If it says no email, that of course would be mail. So that would be that information. It also lists your driver's name. And if you had a delivery schedule, which we'll get to later, it would be listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and basically cancel that. And then there is a more detailed area for billing. If you go here to the little menu, you click on billing, and then of course you have your history, your open invoices, and then you could add a credit card here so that you could put your account on auto pay if you wish. And all the fields here are required. You need your card number, of course, but everything in red is also required. And you can go ahead and add your card or change it at any time, remove or add a card. So I'm just going to cancel that. And let's go to now the dashboard again, and I'll show you the delivery area where you can go ahead and schedule your delivery. It's kind of nice. You click on new delivery, and basically your favorites are listed here, so you would hit yes, and then it'll put everything there. And then if you don't want to add everything, you don't have to. You can go ahead and alter the quantities. We'll do one of each item here, just so you can get a feel. And you can add these to the cart, continue shopping, add it, and then you can update your cart on all these. And then once you're done, you'll say you have 4 items. You can hover over your cart and you can see the total of your order. And then if you want to check out, if there's any delivery fees associated with your order, they would be added at this point, and then you would get your grand total here for your order. Your delivery date, we do have a cutoff time. It's 3:30 p.m. Eastern time. So if you place your order today, right now it's about 1:59 p.m. Eastern time. That's before our cutoff. So the green check mark would say Friday, so you could select Friday, and then of course it shows you the date there. If it was not within the cutoff time, let's say it was after 3:30 p.m. Eastern time, you would be only able to select Monday as your delivery date. It would not let you select Friday. So that's how that works. Any coupon codes that we email you, you can apply them, and then it will have information that you can enter if you have any notes or a special person with a phone number that you want to contact regarding your order. Any details there. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel out of this because I don't want to place an order. And we'll go back to the dashboard. So this is a synopsis of our online account process, setting up your account, and then being able to navigate through everything. I wanted to show this to all of our customers, and hopefully this makes everything easier and work more fluidly for everybody. And I appreciate your business. Thank you very much for watching this video. And again, my name is Alex from Broward ANC Medical Supply in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Have a nice day. Thank you.